everybody ready to draw Stoly? First, now take off your cap. If you have a crayon or colored pencil, you doesn't need to wait. And well, I'm gonna get my pen ready. Everybody should be ready now. Start with one bump. Now make a curve really long, like a C shape. Now make another curve on the top, over here.
Mommy, Daddy!
Now make a circle like this, like this kind of thing. Now make another smile right here. Now make some teeth like this. Now make a really small curve but long like this. Now make a diagonal line on there like that. Now color in the bottom. In a little bit I'll tell you which colors you do need to actually color. Make a small line down now. It can be a curve now. Make another small line down over here. Now make a line over here. Make another one that connects to the other side. Now make that way, and then make two ones the opposite direction the other way. Now make the line to there, to there. Now we're gonna make kind of a long line down, like that far. Now on the bottom side, make more lines. And now make the same thing that you did for the hand on the other side. You can pause the video for more time. Now make pointy things like this on the fingers that are curved. Now make ones that are curved but no point on this side. On both sides, on both hands. Now make a line across like that. Now make another curve like that. Now make a really small line down over here. Now make a curve for this tail, like that kind of curve. Now make a curve like that. Now make another smaller curve over here. Now make a circle on there. Now make legs like them. Two of them go. Now make a curve, then a line. Curve back and the same thing on the other side and on the opposite side. But like that.
Okay, let's go. No, she's doing a thing, buddy.
Now do the same thing on the other side. Now make a sharp line on that side. And on the other side, do curves instead, like on the fingers on these sides.
What, you want these in the cars for Christmas? We'll go at, what, you want me to stay here? Okay.
Now we're done, except we need to color. Never forget the coloring.
Woohoo, color!
Wait, we're not done yet. We're gonna make. Oh, not quite. We're gonna do that for the last stage though. So now we're gonna get out our gray. Make a curve over here with our gray. Now color in the top C. Now color in the rest, but not the teeth or the inside of the eye. Now color in the other side, but not the arms, like this side. You can pause the video to get extra time. You can color that part of the arm though. Now color in the arms, but not the claws. We're gonna color them next. We're gonna color them in the next step. You can give more time if you want for this too. Now get out your red and color your top claws red. Now, get out your boot and color this loop. I just made up for one of its powers. You might not know that. Now get out your gray and color its tail. Now get out your gray and color, use your gray and color its top of its leg. And if you need extra time, you can pause the video. Now color its bottom legs with your gray. Now get out your yellow and color this part of the tail. Hey, I just made it, but I forgot why I made it. Just maybe to make it look cooler. Yeah, that's right. Now color its ball on its tail, all gray. Now color its feet gray too, but not its claws. If you do this, the other color will probably get it away. Now pick up your red and color its bottom claws. There's just one more step after this, okay? Both feet though. Now don't close your eyes. Last, we're gonna color its tooth red. We're done with our Stoly. So let's write your name on it. Mine's Lola, but don't copy it. Now, lastly, we're gonna write Stoly. So write an S, then a T, then an O, then an L, then a Y. We're done. And if you want, you can do stone egg. But stone egg's not quite made yet. So, but you can do rocky it. We made that before. You could have already did that one. And that's the end. This is rock. Yeah, and that's stone egg. And no, they look cool. They both look cool. If you want, you can do rocket. So that is the end.